How to set up Google Assistant on Android phone. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. You can set up the Google Assistant on Android pretty easily. Start off by launching your Google application in your device. So right over here, tap on your profile icon in your right hand corner. From here, select on the settings option. Navigate to the option of Google Assistant and click on it. So if you have not toggled on the Google Assistant option, make sure you have toggled it. After that, firstly, you need to match the voice command. In order to do so, you can tap on Hey Google and voice match. After which, you will have to toggle this option right over here. After that, you will need to actually enter your voice so that it can follow the command that you give. If you have already toggled on this option and still your Google Assistant is not working, you need to retain the voice match model. After which, the assistant will recognize your voice and it will follow the command that you give. Now to give a command, all you need to do is basically say Hey Google and your assistant will pop up. After which you can give it commands such as make a call or open up an app. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. This sums up the tutorial.